Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on LinkedIn that allows you to personalize how your website appears on your profile. This is a fantastic way to enhance your online presence and connect with others in your professional network. Let's walk through the steps to make your website type personal on LinkedIn using your PC. First, start by opening LinkedIn in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the homepage. This icon is usually represented by your profile picture. After clicking on the Me icon, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. You'll find this option in the left sidebar. Now, under Profile Information, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit key details about your profile. But we're interested in updating our website information, so let's move on. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Contact Info. Here, click on Edit Contact Info to open a pop-up window where you can manage your website links. In this pop-up, look for the area where your websites are listed. If you want to add a new website, click on Add Website. You'll need to enter the URL of the website you want to include. Here's where it gets interesting. When prompted to choose a website type from the drop-down menu, select Personal. This designation helps others understand that this link leads to your personal site. Once you've entered all the necessary information and selected the correct type, don't forget to click Save. This final step ensures that all your changes are applied and visible on your profile. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully make your website type personal on LinkedIn, enhancing your profile's appeal and accessibility. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated is crucial for making valuable connections and showcasing your professional journey. Happy networking!